So today is Friends Day. Not officially, that is a real calendar day, but for us it's Friends Day. We are headed to the WRTR to meet up with a friend. Want to give her a big hug and a gift from the KOKO Fam. She unfortunately lost everything in the California fires, and I'm glad that she is here in Quartzsite and has her rig and some of her belongings with her, and her daughter got her cats out. And anyway, it's just one of those horrific things, and we're gonna see her, and then we're gonna go have lunch with, why does it keep going out? We're gonna go have lunch with Pop Campers. Cheryl, it's her birthday. There's gonna be about a dozen of us. And yesterday was Vicky Van Gogh's birthday, so happy belated birthday, Vicky Van Gogh. We love all our friends. We're so blessed with so many. Y'all ready to go see peoples? They say no, we're gonna stay in the camper. Oh, okay. Well, thank you for that. Oh, good, Sandy. Thank you. Lots of vans, lots of people. We are looking forward to this. I purposefully didn't mention our friend's name. It's her story to tell, and she may want to remain anonymous. KOKO Fam is aware of her, and this gift today for her is from the KOKO Fam. But I just wanted you to know that there are people out here that are going through a lot, and if you can be kind and you can be love and you can help people keep on keeping on, let's do that. A lot of people that we haven't seen since last year, and got to get a lot of hugs and meet some new viewers that follow my channel and Frugal RV Gals channel. And so now we are headed to Silly Owl's to celebrate Cheryl Pup Camper 58's birthday. That was a mouthful. We got here to the parking lot and got to see Cece. Hi, that's a lot of C's.
Yeah, Cece sees it.
Cece sees it. Awesomeness. There's Charlie and Diane of C&D Casita Adventures, right?
Yep.
Did I get it right?
You did.
Woohoo! Birthday girl has arrived. Woohoo! Birthday girl, birthday girl, birthday girl. Hi guys. Happy birthday.
My other sweetheart.
Hi Barb.
Hi.
Thank you, Mommy. And Grace has arrived.
Woohoo! Can't make I think I saw you this morning.
Lisa and Judy are in the house. Woohoo! Rob got stickers. Oh my gosh. Travels with Dottie stickers, and those were compliments of who?
Herbie with My Nomadic Dream.
My Nomadic Journey. Oh, they're wonderful. I want mine too. Yay!
My fence side then, okay?
So isn't it miserable out here in Portside?
Oh, it's just terrible.
We're walking into. I asked her to walk with me, so she's like bumping into me on purpose. But we are walking into the municipal center to get my, I guess it's a sales permit for the city.
Yeah.
For Tyson Wells, it is required. So we're going to go in here, and it is a library and municipal center and the town of Quartzsite offices all in one.
Are they closed?
I guess we won't. We're not doing anything today. It's Friday when I'm filming this. Okay, so we are headed back into town for the second time today because not only was the town hall and library closed on Fridays, we went to Moon Mountain to get my packages because I'm expecting my stickers for my talk at the RTR on Sunday at noon. And they didn't have it processed yet, and I'm like, that's okay, I'll come back tomorrow, which this is Friday, so that would be Saturday. And she said, oh no, we're closed tomorrow, they're having a camel parade and this street will be blocked off. I'm like, what? She said they're having a camel parade. So only in Quartzsite was that probably the case. And anyway, we're headed back to get my stickers because they were able to, they said it took them 2 people over an hour to offload all the stuff from the UPS truck, and that they would try their best to get it processed and find my wee box of stickers, and they pulled it off. We got the email that they have it, so we're gonna go pick it up now. Woohoo! Moon Mountain rocks. Okay, everybody, we did it. We got there, and we're gonna get back to camp before dark. Here is my new stickers that I'll be passing out Sunday after my talk. What do you think? At the bottom, I'm covering it up. It says, on the road since 2015.